Next, I'll show you how to update n8n on your server. Back in the overview section on Hostinger, in the top right, click Browser Terminal. Hostinger will open a command line interface, or CLI. If you've never worked with one of these before, it can look kind of scary, but trust me, this is really straightforward. To download the latest version of n8n, click into the window, then type docker compose pull and hit enter or return on your keyboard. Hostinger will then download the newest version of n8n to your server. This may take a while to process, but you can watch the progress on the CLI. When it's done, it'll look something like this with a bunch of green check marks and everything will say pull complete. Next, we have to stop and remove the older version of n8n. To do this, type in docker compose down, then hit enter or return. Again, you'll get some text showing that Hostinger is processing this request. When it's done, you'll see some form of confirmation like this where it says removed and there's a bunch of green check marks. Next, we need to start the newest version of n8n. To do this, type in docker compose up-d. And it's important that it's formatted exactly like this, with a space between docker and compose, a space between compose and up, and a space between up and the dash, but no space between the dash and the D. When you've got it exactly like this, hit enter or return. And you can see there's a confirmation here that the new version of n8n has started. When you're done updating n8n, you can simply close out this tab. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, we are now self-hosting n8n on our own virtual private server and saving tons of money. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the link in the description below to sign up and get your extra 10% discount.